Okay, we're going to show you how to make guacamole. Homemade, fresh, so you don't have to get that store-bought crap. And if you just want to try and make it at home, these are our ingredients. We've got 5 avocados. I've already cut the ends out. We're going to use half of a lime, white pepper, sprinkling of salt, Lowry's seasoning salt, and onion powder. So I'm going to pit these avocados and we'll join shortly. Alright, as you can see, I've kind of sliced the avocados as I'm trying to get the pits out of them, the seeds. Some of you may be asking, how do I know if an avocado is ready? If you get to the store and you see it is really bright green and you can barely press on it, you don't want to use that one. You want to be able to slightly make an indentation, and that will tell you that it is ripe enough for homemade guacamole. If the store only has green ones, I'd pass on it. It's going to be too much of a pain. If your avocados are real firm, you will not be. It will be an absolute chore. It'll be impossible to make nice creamy guacamole. And you can also see if they're too soft, I'll have some brown in there, and that's, you know, I'm going to cut that out. I'll show you what I do with that here. Okay, all seeds are removed. And then what I'm going to do to this brown one here, I'm going to slice the brown parts. You get the picture. Cut here, spoon that out and just throw it away. You really just want the green parts to the avocado. And I may just not even use that one. That's why I've got 4, because I knew one of these was probably going to be have that brown material in there. Now I'll get a spoon and scoop it out, and we'll pick up here shortly. All right, as you can see, I've spooned out all of the avocados from the shell. Sliced my lime in half. I'm going to use half a lime for every 4 avocados. That usually does the trick. Then we're going to add our ingredients. We'll be doing that here shortly. Alright, so with any recipe, you just get directions. It's really kind of a roadmap. As far as your seasonings and quantities, sorry, I'm not going to give you that. Onion powder, yes, it is. You want to go liberal. Don't just give a little bit. You got to have some onion. You may hate onion powder. It's not. You're not going to taste it. You may have a hint of it, but that's what you need. We'll go with the Lowry's seasoning salt. Yes, you want to at least coat all the top. Get some yellow and or orange in there. And I know we just put seasoning salt, but then you're also just going to do a little dash, a pinch of salt. And then lastly, we're going with some white pepper. And that's it. I've already squeezed our lime in there, half a lime. And I'm going to take the masher, mash it up. If you keep mashing it, it'll be really, depends on how you like your guacamole. If you want it chunky, it won't take much if you have the ripe avocados. If you want it really creamy, go for it. Keep smashing. You do want to give it a nice mix, making sure all the seasoning salt, onion powder gets mixed throughout. Preferably I like to add some pico, some tomatoes and onions with the way that we do it in the household. The queen boss of the household does not prefer those, so this is the way we roll. Also some cilantro, definitely spices it up. But this is ready. This is as good as any restaurant style guacamole you're gonna have. Enjoy. Knock yourself out.